who obviously has already won today's race here. So, his main goal right now is to have 0 points from this last stage. Will he make it? It's the last question today. Will Tony Bauer make it with 0? praegu on koduliku rahuliku mõlemad käed all, no ei ole rahuliku, aga on all. Konil on üles minna aega 20 sekundit, teistel meestel siiamaani oli. Ilusti läheb, suuvalt läheb. Koni eesmärk tuletab minna praegu.